Terminal jumpers and their associations allow you to insert terminals on wires so that more than one wire can connect to a particular wire. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at inserting some terminals and jumpers to jump across from one wire to another. So it may be that we insert a terminal here and here so that a wire can jump across from that wire there to that wire there horizontally. So let's have a look at that now. What we're going to do, we're going to go to the schematic tab again, here on the ribbon, and in the insert components panel here, that's what we're going to use. Now, to insert our terminals, we need to look here on our insert components panel. So what have we got here? We've got multiple insert, and that's what we need there. We need a multiple insert, this one here, from the icon menu. So I click there, and that takes me into the insert component dialog box. So what I need to find now are my terminal connectors, which are here, like so. And what I want is a round with wire number. So it's going to be that one there. You can have round with wire number, or we could have a round with the terminal number instead. So what we've got to do there is select the right one and make sure what we're doing. Now, the wire number will be specific to the wire going through the terminal. The round one here with the terminal number will purely list the terminal number, not the wires. So I'm going to go for round with terminal number, basically to keep my drawing tidy. Now it says component fence from point. Now do you remember the fence command in the original AutoCAD? You draw a line basically from point to point. So I'm going to click here, draw my fence all the way through and click here, like so. Then enter to finish, keep this one, or no, skip to next. You get the option to keep the terminals. I'm going to OK that. And now I get the option to edit the terminal symbol. Now the symbol name at the moment is HT0002. Now I've got to look at various items here, bits of data, installation, location, what the tag strip is called. So I'm going to input some data in here, and in the location codes dialog here, I'm going to type equals, and it's going to be MCAB5. So I'll type that in like so, and the tag strip number there will be X1-3. Now these are purely terminologies that you would use on a project specific basis. So I've picked some location and tag strips. They're purely off the top of my head, and the number there I have is obviously going to be 8 because we've got 8 connections, so 8 is there. Now I'll OK that now, and keep all, don't ask, and I'll OK that. And it's showing me the dialog after each one, so when I OK that again, can you see it's doing it for each one so that I can update, like so. And as you can see, they're going across. I click each time until they're finished. So there's my 8 there. So I'm done now. Now, they do actually look a little bit messy, don't they? You can see there, though, look, we've got 8, 9, 10, 11. So it started at 8. Now, what I could do here is I could tidy this up a little bit. So let's go back. Let's just undo that like so. And I'm going to undo each one. And let's do that one again. And let's do that in a slightly tidier fashion. So I go back here, multiple insert from the icon menu. I want my terminal connectors here. I want round with terminal number, that one there. Component fence, click, drag, and click. Enter to finish. Keep this one. Yeah, I'll OK that. Now, let's tidy this up a little bit. Now, I've put there equals MCAB5, and I want to start, let's say, from number 1 this time. So I'll do that there. And there's the location and the tag strip. Let's change that. Let's take that location off of there, and we'll just put CAB5, like so. I'll OK that now. And I don't want to show the edit dialog after each, and I'm going to keep all, don't ask. And off it goes. Can you see how much neater that is? I've tidied that up a little bit. Obviously I can change the text here, I can move it around, I can modify. So if I right click there, I can actually go to attribute and move that attribute if I want to. Can you see that? So I can select the attribute to move, and I can move it if I want to, like I can with any schematic component. Now the benefit I have now is I can take wires from these, so I can go wire, that is now a point to select there, and as you can see I'm coming off of that one there, and I can come down, or I can go across. There you go, click there, and that's put a wire across from one of those terminals to the other one. As you can see, it's jumping across, hence the phrase jumper. So that's now part one of our terminal jumpers and associations. What we'll look at in part two is how to edit those terminal jumpers and their associations.